Yeah, it was good, y'all. It's crazy how I got y'all me in the comments and stuff, like not in the comments, in the DMs and stuff. But yo, but still, leave a comment down below, man. If this is going good for you, like if you made money using these charts, man, please let me know, man, because I really want to like just be able to put game out there for y'all, like not in the sense of like giving signals and things like that, but just like be able to break things down to where maybe you need a fresh pair of eyes on your charts and stuff like that. But let's get right into it. So we got S&P 5 right now. And S&P 5, last week, I did call like this going upward, right? And then the retest, and then now like basically I'm either looking for it to like continue or for it to actually like start breaking down lower, and then like either it's gonna come back up from this area or this area. If it ends up breaking that area, then I want to see if it's going to actually start continuing lower. The only reason that I'm saying like it'll break here and then retest here and then continue lower from this area only is because it is at like a high, basically like it's at a high. It's it's only been like basically going upward at this point, but it's at a high here where I want to see like if there's gonna start like some sort of retracement to obviously like look like it's been just going upward all the way like since May, like for months already. So for us to get like some sort of retracement would be nice, but overall, I still am bullish on this pair. So don't let like things fool you. Like I want to see either uh I'll do this so it's not like bugged out. Like, so I want to see like if things are gonna end up moving like in this direction, I would like to see either price start to come up from either this. I don't know why it's not. I don't know why like my all right. So from this level, right? From this level, oh my God, bro. Or this level. All right. So that's basically it. So that's all I'm looking for in this sense right here. So I want to see if this is a if this is gonna be like a good buying opportunity from these areas, and then I want to see if it's gonna actually like start like go upward from here, and then just if it breaks that area, then obviously I would like to see it continue going lower. So yeah, so let me see. So boom, 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 boom. And this is if it hits down here, I would like to see some more buyers come back in, and like if it wants to like really just hold up those buys and it's just coming down just to get better price action. Cool. Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I just okay. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be all right, cool. So we might see like if it wants to continue going lower, like breaking towards the downside, then we'll need a retest of this area, this area, and this area, and this area. Like that's it. So yeah, like again, you don't have to sit here and babysit these areas. I mean you do, but like just don't sit here and place a sell limit here, sell limit here. Like don't do that. Put an alert here, alert here, alert here, alert here, and then whatever price gets to there, if on lower time frame you see an entry opportunity, take that and then go forward in that direction. Like that's it. Like only reason that I had this up here, right? Like this, right? The only reason I had this up here is because if price is not going to extend, right? And this is what I'm looking at. So let me show you, right? So this is what I'm looking at right here. Right? Boom. So we have your higher highs, your higher lows, boom, like that. You're not going to count this as a higher high because this high is still hit. Like you got two highs next to each other. It's not going to make sense for you to mark this down. Like, no, this is the actual low. All right. So you're going to mark this and it's going to look like this. All right. Same thing hit. You're going to mark this hit. That's it. So when you see things like this area is going to be your first actual area to where like you can confirm that your sellers are most likely going to be coming in and going towards the downside if that area gets broken, right? But theoretically, right, if it starts to break this area here, it most likely end up either going towards the downside to start that bearish trend, or it's going to actually like just continue going upward. Like that's it. Like if it hits this area, I'm most likely going to be looking for buys all the way up down to this down to this area here. I'm going to be looking for buys. Like that's it. But these areas are just if and then areas to where, like, all right, cool. If price comes down and it fails, right? Again, if it's gonna come off here and it's gonna do this, right? I want it to go up. It needs to go up. And I don't want to say it needs, but it should go up only because it's gonna continue that flow of price to where it goes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, just established here, and then continue going to make a higher high, right? Obviously, if it's not gonna do that, and it's actually gonna make a false break, then it's obviously gonna do something like this, right? Where it's gonna go up, boom, and it's gonna break, and then it's creating now that lower low instead of a higher high, higher low, right? It's gonna break that higher low and it's gonna make a lower low, and then for that same reason, it's gonna make a lower high. And then continue going downward to make lower lows go highs and stuff like that until it breaks again towards the upside. So that's what we need to like look into. So yeah, just keep that open-minded and just do not fall into the trap of like staying on the lower time frames, because that right there is going to automatically give you false information. So with that being said, thank y'all for tuning in. If you have any questions or anything like that, please like, comment, subscribe, and then ask your questions in the comments and stuff. So I'm gonna be trying my best to be more on YouTube and stuff like that. So I want to kind of move the interaction from any other platform onto here, because I genuinely want to stay on YouTube and just like, be able to just devote more of my time and energy into the platform. So yeah, again, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment and stuff like that. I answer all my comments for the ones I get, and then like that's it. But a lot of times y'all just hit me up in my messages. But regardless, yeah, have a good day in the markets, have a good week in the markets, and even out the markets. And if no one's hasn't told you yet, you are capable of mastering the skill set. You just need to be consistent with your plan, consistent with your risk, and most importantly, consistent with yourself. Because at the end of the day, you master these charts, it's fairly simple. The hard part is mastering yourself. The hard part is the psychology. That's the hard part. And a lot of people don't really like discuss that. Like I discuss that with my students and stuff, but I don't know why more mentors they don't focus a lot on that. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have a good week. And yeah, if anything, again, the comments are. Peace.